In this video, today I am going to explore speech transcription with Whisper. For this I am going to use whisper.cpp library. In my previous video I have shown the build process, so before running this code make sure to check that out. As you can see, running NVIDIA SMI already shows 400 MB GPU usage, which is from OBS. Here I have downloaded a good 2-hour speech video from YouTube in M4 format. I'm trimming to 1 minute from the hours-long downloaded audio. Now I will play the sample audio.
Sherlock Holmes, The Rediscovered Railway Mysteries and Other Stories.
To run inference, I have downloaded a quantized Whisper v3 large turbo model from Hugging Face. In my last video of whisper.cpp, I have shown how to get the executable files. In order to run the code, first the model server need to be run. I will now send a request to that address with the specified port, which will return the transcribed speech and save it as a VTT file.
Sherlock Holmes, The Rediscovered Railway Mysteries and Other Stories by John Taylor. Read by Benedict Cumberbatch. An inscrutable masquerade. In a drawer in the bureau of an upstairs room of my current home, there is a locked cedar wood box, which I inherited as a youth from my grandfather.
In this segment, I show video generation combining audio as well as transcribed text into images.
Sherlock Holmes, The Rediscovered Railway Mysteries and Other Stories by John Taylor. Read by Benedict Cumberbatch. An inscrutable masquerade. In a drawer in the bureau of an upstairs room of my current home, there is a locked cedar wood box, which I inherited as a youth from my grandfather. This is, one might say, my box of secrets. When I was young, it contained the treasures of boyhood, a catapult, a lump of beeswax, the carapace of a crab. For many years since, it has been the repository of an archive, admittedly a ragged and disordered archive, a collection of notes and scribblings concerning some of the many cases of my lifelong friend.
Here, I do an 1-hour cropping from the downloaded audio file. Finally, I show, as the video title suggests, 1 hour of audio transcription in 1 minute with 1 GB GPU memory. It completed just a little over 1 minute.
Sherlock Holmes. When I spotted you by the wall of the restaurant, which by then was closed, talking to a man in a brown... felt hat. I would have approached you, but when I caught your eye, you cut me as dead as if you didn't. Thinking that my estranged wife, Laura...
And in terms of memory, it can be seen the GPU usage is around 1 GB, as there is around 500 MB GPU memory consumption from recording software.